Hello, team. Welcome to History for Success. Today we are starting a fresh new unit on the colonial era, and we are going to talk today about the Columbian Exchange. So, as I read to you, please follow along. Let's take a step back in time when explorers came to America. Do you remember that European monarchs sent explorers on expeditions to claim land and make a profit for their country? These discoveries resulted in the exchange of crops and resources between what Europeans called the New World, North and South America, and the Old World, Europe, Africa, and Asia. Before long, countries like Spain, France, and England were claiming land in the New World. They were all in a race to become wealthy and powerful. Some of them were establishing colonies and growing crops. Colonies are settlements that are far from the country that rules them. The Europeans grew crops to send back to their home country. The people in the Old World were excited to try the new crops. Having corn, tobacco, cocoa, and potatoes changed the lifestyles in Europe. Imagine never having cocoa before and then tasting it for the first time. This left them wanting even more. In exchange, European colonies were sending over horses, cattle, and sugarcane to the New World. Some of these goods were used to trade with the indigenous people who already lived on the land. They had a huge impact on transportation in the New World. People now had a faster means to migrate and hunt. However, the Old World did not only send people, animals, and plants. They also sent diseases like smallpox with them. Since the indigenous peoples were not accustomed to diseases, a large population of them suffered and died. The natives of the New World had even more hardships to face. The indigenous peoples were forced to do many things against their will. Some were driven off their land and compelled to work on farms to help Europeans grow crops. Spaniards even forced many of the native peoples to give up their own religious beliefs to learn Christianity. The suffering of the indigenous peoples was caused by European greed and their longing for power.